Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really special to share with you, the personalized customized name case for iPhone. This is the perfect way to add a touch of personalization to your phone, making it truly one of a kind. With this case, you have the opportunity to customize the English letters to make it uniquely yours. Whether it's your initials, your name, or a special symbol that holds meaning for you, this case can be tailored to your individual style. The process is simple. Just leave a message when placing your order to let us know the location and the abbreviation letter name that you'd like customized. If you prefer not to have any custom letters, that's no problem at all. Just let us know and we'll send you a case without any letters. This case is not only a stylish accessory for your phone, but it's also a way to showcase your personality and stand out from the crowd. Whether you're treating yourself or looking for the perfect gift for a loved one, this customized case is a great choice. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your very own personalized customized name case for iPhone and make a statement with your phone. Don't miss out on the opportunity to add a personal touch to your everyday essential. Get yours now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video.